And then ayan guys. Ayan, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating sugar. And then yung ating pineapple tidbits.
Hi guys! What's up mga barads? It's me, Ylarn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ayun guys, kumusta kayong lahat? Ayan, and for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng isa na namang recipe. And itong recipe na to is napaka-simple, napakadaling gawin. And yung mga ingredients natin is madali lang siyang hanapin. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy guys, please consider follow me on my Facebook page, Ylarn Anza, or i-search nyo lang po at Ylarn Anza Vlogs. And huwag nyo rin pong kalimutan ang mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And please ring on the bell notification para always updated po kayo if ever meron akong videos na i-upload. So ayun guys, without further ado, let's get into the video.
So ito na guys, yung ating mga ingredients na kakailanganin sa ating pork Kasim with pineapple tidbits. Ayan. So ito guys, yung ating pork Kasim. Ayan. So kung papansin nyo, minarinate ko na siya ng soy sauce at saka yung ating pineapple juice. Yung pineapple juice natin guys, yun yung galing sa tidbits. Ayan. So, meron din tayong tidbits. And then, tomato sauce. And then, meron tayong potato. And then, isang buo na sibuyas, bawang, and then brown sugar. And of course, kailangan din natin ng salt to taste. So, ayan. So, yung una natin gagawin guys, i-fry natin yung ating potato, and then after frying, set aside muna natin siya. Gamit yung pinagprituhan natin ng potato, ayan, binawasan lang natin siya ng konti. So, igigisa natin yung ating sibuyas, bawang, and then after, saka natin ilalagay yung ating marinated na pork Kasim. And then, ayan guys, after natin mag-isa, ayan, pakuluan lang natin siya ng mga about 15 minutes. Ayan. So, after, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating tomato sauce. And then, season natin siya ng salt. And then, saka natin siya i-cover ulit. For mga 10 minutes more. And then, ayan guys. Ayan, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating sugar. And then, yung ating pineapple tidbits. Then after guys, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating potato, yung ating frinay kanina. Ayan. So there you go. We're done. So ayan, yan na yung ating pork Kasim with pineapple tidbits. So ayan guys, yan na yung ating pork Kasim with pineapple tidbits. So ayan. So bali ni-sprinklean lang natin ng green onion. So tikman natin. So ayan. Perfect.